And this is the fourth sum from exercise 1.3. The question is, a graph representing the function f of x is given in the figure 1.16. It is clear that f of 9 is equal to 2. So first I'll explain the graph. See the graph. I have drawn the graph here. For a better clarification, I will send you the picture of the graph. So see here, the value of one of the function is given in the question itself. F of 9 is equal to 2. So see here, this is the x values and this is y values. Y takes the value of the function f of x. Okay, that is what is given. So if this is if the value of x is 9, f of 9 is, it takes a value 2. So see the graph, it is correctly intersecting, the graph correctly intersecting at 2 here. So f of 9 is equal to 2. That is what is given. F of 9 is equal to 2 is given in the question itself. So using this clue, we are going to find out the values of the given functions. Okay, so I am going to solve the first question now. Find the following values of the function. First subdivision is f of 0. So they have asked us the value of f of 0 now. So see here, 0. For 0, the function is, the graph intersect at what point? It is intersecting at 9. So the function of 0 is equal to 9. So B, f of 7. You see the graph. So now for the 7, the graph intersects 7 at what point? It is intersecting at 6. So the function of 7 is 6. Now C, f of 2. So we want to find out the function for 2 now. See, for the value of x is equal to 2, the function is, it is intersecting at 6 here. See, the graph intersects for 2, it is intersecting at 6. Okay, so the function of 2 is, again it is 6. D, the D sum is f of 10. So see here, the function of 10 is, it is intersecting at what point? At the 0 point. So function of 10 is 0. So now I am going to solve the second question. For what value of x is f of x is equal to 1? Now they have asked us to find out the value of x when the function f of x value is equal to 1. So see the y here, y set here, for the value of y is equal to 1. So here it is, right? So for the value of y is equal to 1, what is the value of x? That is what they are asked. Okay, so here see, for which value the y point intersects, the graph intersects, you check there. For 1, it is, the graph is not intersecting. 2 no, 3 no, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 no. But at one point, see here, the graph goes like this, somewhere between 9 and 10. So for f of x is equal to 1, the x value will be 9.5. In between 9 and 10, so I'll write that to be 9.5. So if f of x is equal to 1, the value of x is equal to 9.5. That is the answer. Next, third question. Describe the following. Under third question, we have two subdivisions. One is domain and second is range they have asked. So I'll do the domain here. See here. What is the domain? I have already taught you. Domain is the set A, or the value of x, all the elements of x. Okay, so see here, all the values of x between 0 and 10 takes place in this graph, right? In between 0.1, 0.2, 0. The minute decimals, every numbers takes place between 0 and 10 in this graph, right? So see here, the graph goes like this. So even 10.10, 9.1, 9.2, 9.3, Even the decimal, minute decimals also takes place in this graph. So domain is the set of all x such that 0 less than or equal to x and less than or equal to 10. So the x value takes place between 0 and 10, where x belongs to the real number. Why I am writing real number is, it doesn't take only the natural number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It takes even the decimal fractions, all the numbers in between 0 to 10. So I will write that x belongs to the real number. Second is, they have asked us range. Again, range is what? All the paired numbers in the y set, right? So see here, for every numbers between 0 to 10, every number between 0 to 9, it is paired, right? See here, it doesn't, the graph doesn't goes to 10, it takes between till 9 only. Okay, the graph solves here. So range is the set of all y, I write this to be y, such that 0 less than or equal to y and less than or equal to 9. See the graph carefully, it is not going to 10, it just stops here in 9 itself. Range is only the paired elements we have to write, not all the elements. If they ask you codomain, you can write from 0 to 10. Here it is only the paired elements, so range takes place between 0 to 9, such that y belongs to the real numbers again. Next, the fourth question is, what is the image of 6 under f? See the question carefully. What is the image of 6 under f? So you also see the graph here, image of 6. So we have 6 here, image of 6, it goes there. So image of 6 is, it is, see here, it is 5. So image of 6 is what? It is 5. So what will you write? The fourth one answer is, image of 6 is 5. This is the answer for the fourth one.